Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix TikTok phone number already used error. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our TikTok mobile application and we'll pretend that I'm trying to sign up for TikTok account and now I can select to use phone or email. So it will request you birthday and then you have to simply put on the random date. Let's choose something that will make me between 18 years old and then select the next, and then it will request either use my phone number or email address. And however, if you type in your phone number there and it states that it's already used, then simply means that whatever reason, so they signed up for TikTok using the same contact information, because either they basically had the same number or because they already had the Google Voice number with that number or whatever, or then they managed to lose it, and therefore the possible explanation you could get that message is because someone signed up for TikTok using the same contact information and then ended up losing it. But when you want to sign up for the TikTok, you really don't need a phone number. Simply go over the Google and set up a new Gmail address, and after that put in here, and you won't be able to think about the phone number becoming linked to your TikTok account anymore. So you can simply use the new email address, choosing a strong password, and make your account and log in. Now when TikTok indicates your phone number is already in use, I would then use an email address, and you can also set up an email address when you are only using the TikTok and sign up to your account. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.